Hi, everybody, and welcome to KHOU 11 Plus. I'm meteorologist Pat Cavlin with a look at your forecast. A bit of a stormy week as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. Today, though, a nice day. It's not till Tuesday that we see those rain chances come back into play. Good news, though, it's in and out of here by Wednesday. And as we get to Thursday, we work in some nicer weather. Temperatures drop as well. We're finally back closer to where we should be for this time of year. And as we get to Valentine's Day, which is Friday, that actually looks like the nicest day of the week, the real pick day of the week coming up for us on Friday. All right, before we dive more into the local weather, let's take a look if you're traveling anywhere tomorrow. Bit of a rough day for the Mid-Atlantic, so keep that in mind if you have any flights to D.C., to Baltimore, down to Richmond, Virginia, even to Philly. We're going to see a winter weather events down there with snow, some sleet, some ice. That could extend up into the New York area as well, so a bit of a wintry mess for us in the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast on Tuesday. Down across the Southeast, if you're traveling to Atlanta, you may work in the chance for some storms or heavy rain for the afternoon. The morning looks okay. Florida looks fine as well. Charlotte could see some rain. And then back to Jackson, Mississippi, and Nashville, also some showers. Here at home in Texas, some cold weather into the Panhandle. If you're flying up to Amarillo, pack a parka, 32 the high temperature. Same for Dallas, only 45. Warmer and breezy out towards El Paso. We'll be dealing with downpours and thunderstorms here with temperatures in the upper 70s. A lot colder then, but quiet weather into the Great Plains. 25 and cloudy for Chicago. 3 your high temperature in Minneapolis for Tuesday. 3. Good news, though, we'll have a lot of sunshine up there. Out west we go. LA looks nice, up to 60 with a mix of sun and clouds. Reno, Vegas, Phoenix, all checking in with nice weather for tomorrow. Same up towards the Pacific Northwest. Seattle, beautiful. Temperatures near 40 with sunshine, so quiet weather across the West Coast if you're traveling tomorrow. Here at home, we're going to be kind of up and down. It's a roller coaster temperature forecast. We'll start with this evening. Temperatures, again, upper 60s to around 70. We don't move much overnight. I think we'll briefly drop to the mid-60s. But as you start off Tuesday morning, we'll be near 70 degrees. Temperatures skyrocket then into the upper 70s. We'll flirt with 80 in a few spots tomorrow, but it's a big contrast in the numbers. Places like Huntsville, Navasota, Brenham, College Station, you'll be stuck, I think, in the 50s for the majority of the day on Tuesday. But the warmer weather will kind of hug the coast and the city. Getting into tomorrow evening, behind the rain, temperatures drop to the 60s. We stay in the 60s overnight, and then Wednesday, I think everybody gets a shot at some warmer weather. 70s, even a few lower 80s, not out of the question, before we see another drop getting into Thursday. So a lot of up and down coming up for us as we head into the upcoming week. This is why we're into more of an active pattern. Cold air is trying to push into Texas, trying to push away that warmer weather. Well, as cold air interacts with warmer weather, you get a stormier pattern, and that will be coupled with a storm track that goes right over us here in southeast Texas. So rain chances stay low today, but they peak getting into tomorrow night, and Wednesday morning. 70-80% chance that we see downpours and storms before we start to trend drier getting into Thursday and Friday. So for today, mix of sun and clouds, not as warm, but still temperatures running just above normal, upper 60s to low 70s. Tomorrow, a lot warmer, more humidity, periods of rain, couple thunderstorms as well, as storm system number 1 passes to the north and east. Then for Wednesday, storm system number 2 comes from the south and west. That'll bring us more storm chances early Wednesday morning, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning through midday, and then we'll get clearing skies as we get into the afternoon. So a lot of moving pieces with this forecast. Here's future track, though, for Tuesday, midday, downpours and storms across the area. I think the coastal spots will get in on a few showers, but really it's from I-10 and points north where we see the best chance for some of that heavier rain, and again, a few storms. Then we get a break Tuesday evening. Early Wednesday morning now, while most of us are asleep, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, downpours, heavy rain, storms move across the area. That will stay with us for the morning commute and even into the late morning before finally Wednesday afternoon, everything starts to move east and we see an improvement in our weather here at home. So for the rest of today, we'll do 70 for Copperfield, the Heights, Edo, 67 for Maikawa. We'll do 68 in Tomball, 69 Channelview, 66 in Seabrook, 73 for El Campo and Bay City, but 64 for Huntsville, 65 for Brenham and Galveston. Overnight tonight, temperatures don't move much. We'll stay in the upper 60s to mid 60s, 66 Copperfield, the Heights, 67 Montrose, 66 for Bel Air and West Chase, 68 for East Haven, same for Pasadena, 66 for Baytown, LaPorte, and 65 in Atascocita. Outside of Harris County, 62 for Navasota and Conroe, 60 in Livingston, 64 for Galveston, and 68 in Bay City. All right, there's your 7-day forecast. So a bit of a rough start to the week. Tuesday, Wednesday, downpour storms. It will turn warmer, though, with temperatures in the upper 70s. That'll come with a lot of humidity, though. We do turn cooler. Look at Thursday morning, 46 degrees to start the day. We go to 58, your high temperature, so a below normal day temperature-wise. And then Friday for Valentine's Day, gorgeous. A lot of sunshine, low 60s, just a perfect start to the day and a perfect start to the weekend as well. Getting into Saturday, shower chances are back. We'll see temperatures top out in the upper or mid 70s at least, with downpours and thunderstorms possible before we turn cooler again, but with sunshine as we get to the end of next weekend.